I got my scarf on. I'm up here. We get all the camels here. We're going to ride 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, there's enough. There we go. Our fearless leader is there, watching over us to make sure everything is safe. The camels looking around here. All right, I got the scarf on. All set out here in the desert here. Yes. All right, here we go. I'm up on the camel. I'm up here. Here he is, my friend down there. We're not on the road yet here, but I made it up. So far, so good. All right, this is Ed of Morocco here. Subscribers always needed. Thank you very much. You're right. We're back there. There's people in back of me. People getting on back there. We're on our camel train here. Here we go. All right. Let me turn this guy off. I gotta concentrate on what I'm doing here. Okay.
Bye bye. Bye bye. See you in Algeria.
Well, there's our camels up there. We're going along here. Got my trusty steed here out in the dunes here. It's early morning, December, I think 22nd, 2023. Riding the camels up in the dunes.
Caravan.
All right, we're back in here, going in. All right, here. Well, back over there you can see some of the buildings there and our shadows here as we're in our camel caravan, our camel train here, going up here. And here's Truly is right here. So still on my camera there. We got the sun in back of us here now. So okay, there we go. We're going to make a turn up here. Got to put the camera in my pocket here. Okay, we're still going on here. There's the rest of us up in front there, going and back. We got people in back of us back there too, and yours truly right here on the trusty camel here. So we're doing good so far here. I got my little scarf on my head. Very quiet morning out here. No wind. It's very nice. You see some of the villages over there. See our shadows down here. I'm holding on here, so I might have to go back to two hands here in a minute. Yeah, we're coming down here. See a little greenery out there. So town, villages, and little birds flying by here, there. I don't know what it was, but we're still here, still in one piece. We're still all on top. Nobody's fallen off yet, so that's always a good sign. And we got our trusty leader. We're all hooked on to each other here, so we're not going to go rogue here or anything. So that's always good. We don't want to go rogue. So especially on the camel, because you're pretty high up. But it's a nice morning here. Very, very nice here. Yeah, we're moving along here. And yeah, I'm right here. Still moving along, doing okay. There's Hong, she's up there. She's on the camel. She's doing good. We're all doing good. She's in front of me. And she balances herself well there and everything. So my center of gravity is a little bit higher here. So, but we're all doing good. Well, we're going into the sun here, as you can see, but we do have dunes up there, but there's be a lot of sun right in the lens there. So that's about the best I can do here. So, all right. Okay, oh, my trusty camel here. Moving along here. Okay, here we go. Having a good time on the camels here. All right, there they go. And there's Ahmed, our fearless leader, up at the top there, doing everything there possible for us. And yeah, moving right along here. Moving along here. My trusty steed. Yeah, here we go. Okay. Tagine. Okay. All right, I'm here. Everybody, we're here on the camels. We're having a wonderful time here. It's calm winds here and everything. The guys are great. Everything at the top of the world here, saying hi to everybody here. So we like it very much here in Morocco. Thank you very much. Shukran. Thank you. Well, we're coming down here. We got a little table here. Oh, it looks like a little snack place or something set up down here. I don't know if that's for us or some kind of camp or something there. And we got dunes on that side here. I gotta hold on because we're going down a hill here a little bit. So, and Hong is up there. She's all over the saddle, hanging off to one side, doing tricks on the camel there and everything. All right. Yeah, coming up to some kind of compound up there. Some more tents over there. So, yeah, I'm still here. I'm still on the camel. Headdress came apart a little bit, so I tried to tuck it in there. So, see how it's going there. All right, we got folks in back of us still coming out. Okay, we might be at the end here. All right. This was my trusty camel right there. There he is. He did good. Didn't drop me off or anything there. So, yeah. It's okay. Here,
Hi, buddy.
my trusty camel right there. There he is. All right. We're back here. So, yeah. There he is. He's happy camel there.
He loves you, but he doesn't show
There
it.
he is there. He's chewing on something there. Just maybe he's got a piece of candy in there or something. Who knows here? Okay.
And
These are
then
camels
we
here.
continue to
Yeah.
use happy rules.
These guys here.
Safi?
Right, there's all our trusty steeds here. They're all sitting down, and I'm going to walk in front of you here. Okay. There they are. They're all sitting down there. They're all resting here, chewing away there on something or other there, but I don't know. All right, we did good here. We all did good. Trusty steeds here. Yeah. We came up here. There's everybody here. We did good.
That's cute. He likes you.
We did good here. Guys are here. Guys are here. We did good. We got my friend here again. He's in here. We did good. Hey, say hello to the United States there. Africa. Okay, we're here in Morocco. I got my headdress on. They helped me with it. It was very good. We had a wonderful time. We were very thankful for visiting here, and the people are so nice to us too. So thank you all. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.